I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every